Hi guys, it is Chantel again. I am back with another video, and this look I have created right here is inspired by this Rihanna picture. I got inspired by her look, and then I started smoking, and then I didn't want to do that exact thing anymore. As you can see, Rihanna doesn't have the brown, but I like the brown, so I put like the gold glitter on top of it to make it look cool. But I did stick with the lip idea though. Sis. Yes. And I also attempted the braided look, which you guys will see now. I didn't like the braided look, okay? So that's why you see me like this. And this looks better for me. This works better for me. So, what the fuck is this? Shout out to my lovely nieces who I love dearly, Jashari and Amaya. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I will be taking numerous bong hits throughout this video, so if you're not comfortable with that, don't watch. It's okay. It's okay. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I also want to throw out there that if you are a returning watcher or someone that's new, feel free to stop down in the comment section and let me know your feedback on my video. Even if it's negative, I will take it. I will eat it up. Give me something so I can see how to improve my channel, because, you know, help a sister out. So let's just get into this video. So now I'm just starting off priming my face with Urban Decay Primer Potion and my NYX Glitter Glue. This is me horribly showing the palette to you. And now I'm just starting to apply that to my lids, and as you guys will see in the next clip, I tried a different like glitter shade, and I absolutely hated the way this one looked. It looked nothing like the other one. It was just like not the same. So I ditched that plan, took it off, and redid it again, because when you fail, you gotta try. So that is me showing you after I applied it again, and that looks much better. But I also started smoking, and I got a little inspired to just do my own thing, so I added a little brown in the crease, you know, just to make it a little special, I guess. So I went around and cleaned up all the excess around my eye, because that eye was like horrible. There was so much white around that eye. It's funny because the whole time I was filming this video, he was sitting behind me the entire time, and you wouldn't even know. In this next clip, I will be showing you a mirror that I got from Family Dollar for $5. Just ignore the fingerprints, and I'm also showing you that I was watching Golden Girls. Also, this is why you should not do drugs. I totally thought I was filming my actual face makeup, but I was not. So you guys completely missed all of that. But you can enjoy me taking these hits. So I will be attempting yet again. I will be attempting yet again something else new. I took a matte lipstick, don't ask me why, because I wanted to give my lips like a pink tone, and then I put the NYX glitter glue on top and then tried putting the glitter on top. It looked horrible. Hated that, wiped it off, and then I just used the gloss and the glitter, and it worked out quite perfectly actually. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I repeat to my nigga Wally, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this, and also makes your girl really happy. So, yeah, peace.